Churches of Goa stand as enduring witnesses to the deep and vibrant history of the Christian faith in this land. Over the centuries, these sacred spaces have been more than just architectural monuments. They have been living centers of worship, of prayer, of service, and of community life. This volume, entitled The Churches of Goa, brought out by the Goan, is a valuable and timely initiative. By providing a concise history of each church, this volume highlights the rich spiritual and cultural heritage that forms an integral part of Goa's identity. I congratulate the Goan for undertaking this meaningful project. May this volume also work as an incentive for all of us in India and across Asia to document the rich history of our churches.